and go to the next tool that we have over here, which is Object Selection Tool. So Object Selection Tool is a very new one inside Photoshop. This is actually also very cool. I do really like it. So how Object Selection Tool basically works is that it will try its best to detect multiple objects that we have inside our image. And just by clicking on that object, it may be very slow, as you see, but it will be very accurate as well. So as you can see, by just clicking on the object, the selection will happen just like that, you know. For example, I click this part, and all you need to do is that you need to wait a little bit, and that work of object selection will happen automatically. That's it. So it also offers you and provides you with those detections that it has, and it also may be very popular and useful, although it's pretty new and it may not be that good yet, but it still is a very useful selection tool inside Adobe Photoshop.
The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.